Hopefully a good luck sip there. All right, today we're taking the habu up. Wish me luck. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, you know, the habu, I started thinking about it. I've only flown it once when I did the maiden with Jeff, and then we kind of had that little mishap. It dug in, you know, had a little crosswind in it. It's a problem with these low wing planes, you know, it dipped. We cracked it right here. Then I came out here once to the airfield, it flew good. You know, we didn't crash it, it did good, but it was really bouncy. And I know a lot of stuff I've seen on this plane talks about the battery. It's like, I think the 2200 milliamp hour just really kind of makes this thing nose heavy. So I went with the other battery that they recommend, the 1300 here, 3S. This should shift some of the weight a little further back and maybe make it a little easier to fly. It's gonna kill the flight time, unfortunately, but hopefully if we get it flies a little better, it'd be worth it. I was always kind of set on that more flight time thing, but as bad as I was bouncing this thing on the landing last time. So I don't have it all the way back. I have it as back as far as I can with the strap right there. But normally the other battery would be way up here, and it's just a lot heavier of a battery, so. Alrighty. Alright, official windsock saying the wind's coming at me. So this is how we will take off. This little plane makes me nervous. Whoa, all right, where are you going? Oh yeah, the CG's definitely changed, because now I have to fly with the elevator up. See, if I let go, it's wanting to. Oh wow, the sun. Woo. Let's try flying this way so the sun is behind me. It's up there. Let's get this thing down low. Wow, that thing's fast. So much faster than what I'm normally used to. But I gotta get used to it. I want to fly this thing. Let's check out the slow speed characteristics. It seems to me like it's flying slower a bit better now. Wow, we've already killed half the battery. Let's see if we can come by for a... Come by kind of... right into the sun, sorry. Yeah, I'm not gonna have much flight time at all with this. Don't want to do too much of that, man. We're gonna kill this battery so fast. Man, I appreciate everybody watching. I know it's probably not the most exciting thing in the world, just watching me do some laps around the track here, but we'll go one more lap and then I'm gonna have to land it, I think. Let's do one nice little. Things wanting to fly nice though, seems. Seems to really want to fly nice with this battery. I mean, I'm getting that before, you know, they always said this was a good trainer kind of for some reason, and that it had good slow speed characteristics, but I never saw it. I think with the heavier battery, you do have to fly a bit faster. All right, so we got a good little gust of wind coming now. Oh. I don't want to do that bounce. I need to get lower on my turn over there. This plane just makes me so nervous, it's hard. So let's just set it up a little bit deeper this time. Come off the throttle. Get a little bit. Let's just let it drop down. Oh yeah! All right, everyone. Man, I got a little bit of battery. Maybe we'll do one more lap. We'll do one more lap. Whoa, take off. Whew. Golly, this plane makes me nervous. Maybe I should have gave up while I was ahead. Oh, I took that way too wide. Go around. I gotta calm myself down here. Ow, someone bite me. Alrighty. Whoa, 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 where the hell am I going? Alright, here we go. Here we go. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Just a little bit, but I'll take it, man. Whew. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching me sweat bullets out here with the habu. Definitely, I need to come out here more and get used to it. I think it's flying really good with that battery. I think it's flying really good. I still got about 5 minutes. I think I had the timer set for 5 minutes. So I'll take it. Everyone, I appreciate the support. I know flying doesn't get the most views for me, so I know a lot of viewers on my channel don't tune in for the flying, but maybe we could convince some people to get into the hobby crossover from RC cars to planes. Is definitely fun. And then I'm going to shoot another video over there with the big Cessna. I figured I would get the jet out of the way first. Do the hardest thing first. So, everyone, definitely appreciate the support. Thank you for watching. Links down below if you want to help the channel. Get you some discount codes down there as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next.